Hey YouTube, it's Wednesday afternoon. I just finished work. I just received this package that I've been waiting for ages. It's something that I'm gonna do. It's a minor project for my car. It's something that you can not really get your hand in Australia. Something that I ordered from States, and getting that forwarded to my mailbox forwarding address. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the quick unboxing and see. I'm gonna show you guys basically what I'm getting. Just hang on one sec. My camera battery went flat again after charging it 2 days ago, which is not happy with the quality of the battery from Sony. I found the product is getting worse and worse. Let me remove that item. Let me see if I can remove all of the sealed. It's pretty tough. Okay, right. Right, I've got some letter that I forwarded as well in this mailbox forwarding. It is actually been tampered with. I'm not quite happy with them tampering my item. I'm not sure what the hell is this, but there we go. So what I've got is the LCI, facelift indicator for the car. Apparently you can retrofit this into my car, which I'm very excited to receive this. It is something that you can do quite simply if you purchase the parts in United States. In Australia, this costs you an arm and a leg. In States, I ordered this for $50 USD, so that's equal to maybe roughly around maybe 65. But unfortunately the seller do not ship overseas, so I'm relying on my mailbox forwarding. So it is the authentic item. It's actually said that over here. Let me see if I can do the auto zoom. That's the part number F2. No, sorry, that's not the part number. I think it's a bit faded, this part number, but I'll give you guys a link or somewhere in the description later on of the part number. But this is what it is. Oh, sorry, I think there's a part number right here. There we go. The 7303243 for the left, and 244 is for the right. So let me open these things up. This is the facelift with the LED side blinker. Apparently it's plug and play. The only thing that I've got to do, I just have to snap this guy over here so that I can install them with the double-sided tape. Apparently it's pretty strong. And this one is light guide PMA, lens PWMA. Don't think there's anything interesting from here, but this is the original one. Oh, there we go. That's actually the product code 63137303244 for the right hand side. And I'm just gonna open up this side here, the right side. Okay. Okay. There we go, this is the right side. Again, that's the part number. Let me pull this guy out and let's inspect if everything is intact. They are actually intact. Yeah, that's the plug. All the plastic clip holding the bit and pieces, they're all there. What I'm planning to do is to get this painted black, and then I'm gonna install that possibly next week. So tomorrow I'm gonna drop it to the panel beater, Active Motorwork. If you know, they are really nice place to get your bodywork or performance upgrade of your sports car. They specialize in BMW. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do this myself. I'll follow some instructions that someone posted in the forum, and I'll try to replicate that. And if it is working perfectly well, I'll take another video of the before and after. Alright guys, that's a quick update for me for this item. I can't wait to get this installed. Please comment, subscribe, like, dislike. I'll catch you guys next time. Ciao.